Welcome to Irrigation and Drainage. I'm going to go over a brief video showing you how to navigate the Canvas course here. Right now we are on the home page where you will see a brief introduction about the class and some information about myself. On the side, here's the side panel, which will be very important to help you navigate. Modules is probably going to be one of the most important sections you'll go to. In the module, you will see the first one that's called Let's Get Started. This has a welcome section, this week's timeline, this video that you obviously found since you are watching, called Finding a Way Around. Then there's a student information survey, course syllabus, syllabus quiz, and where to find help. Notice that items that are assignments are going to be indented. So if there's something due, or if you have a quiz, it will be indented. So this week you'll go ahead and go through the whole Let's Get Started module, and then you can jump down to week 1, California Water. And again, you'll notice all the assignments are indented to make it a little bit easier for you to find. You can also collapse the modules to make it a little more simple to go through each week. Then on the side we have our quizzes, grades, discussions, and announcements. I will try to send announcements out every week to call out the important due dates for assignments as well as quizzes and exams. You will find your grades here, and I will put comments on them so you can see how you did on your assignments. And there's also this open discussion forums. We have a course Q&A, so if you have any questions about the course, feel free to answer, and myself or another student can actually answer the question as well. Then there's the student lounge, and this is kind of an open chat for the students to talk and discuss things. It doesn't have to necessarily be about the course, but again, please be respectful. Just going to navigate into the announcements page, you will see the most recent announcements pop up first. Discussions will be all of the discussions that we will have throughout this course, all in one place. Quizzes will all be here, and that includes exams and midterms. And then going to the grade book, you will find your grades here summarized nicely with any comments that I can leave you. Well, I hope that helped you. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I will reply to emails within 24 hours. And just know that communication is key, and I want you to succeed in this class. Looking forward to meeting you all.